Imagine living on Mars, waking up to a Martian sunrise and walking in a spacesuit across the red planet. NASA is making this vision real with its Artemis mission, a daring plan that could change human history forever. But how will it work? Let's explore the step-by-step journey to colonize Mars by 2030. It all starts with Artemis I, the first step, a test flight around the moon without astronauts. This mission is crucial to proving NASA's deep space systems and gathering the data we need for future crewed missions. Next comes Artemis II in 2025 with astronauts on board. This will be humanity's first return to the moon in over 50 years. It's a critical mission, testing life support and communication systems needed for deep space travel. Now, here's where things get exciting. Artemis III in 2028 will land humans on the moon's south pole, the first time we've ever explored this region. Why there? Because it's rich in water ice, a resource crucial for future missions. Astronauts will set up the Artemis Base Camp, a place where humans will live, research, and prepare for the next stage, Mars. Life on the moon will teach us how to survive in deep space. The Artemis Base Camp will be more than just a temporary outpost. It will be our training ground for Mars. From growing food in space to mining lunar resources, NASA will use this time to develop the technology needed for long-term survival on Mars. And then, Mars. The Mars mission is the ultimate goal of the Artemis program. Using the moon as a launch pad, NASA will send astronauts on a 6-month journey to the Red Planet, where they'll take the first steps toward building humanity's first colony on another world. But landing on Mars is no easy feat. The planet's thin atmosphere means astronauts will need state-of-the-art spacecraft to safely descend to the surface. Once there, they'll establish a base that could one day house hundreds of people. The future on Mars is beyond imagination. From robotic exploration to sustainable habitats, everything we're testing on the moon will help build a thriving colony on Mars, complete with research labs, greenhouses, and even entertainment facilities. So, will humans live on Mars by 2030? NASA's Artemis program is already taking us one step closer with each mission. The journey will be long, full of challenges, but with every rocket launch and discovery, we're preparing to make the impossible possible. Fascinated by the future of space exploration? Be sure to subscribe to TechUniverse for the latest updates on NASA's mission to Mars and beyond. Let's explore the cosmos together and witness history in the making.